Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your HUAWEI FreeBuds SE with your iOS device. You have to start by open settings and now go to Bluetooth. After that, open the charging case and remove your headphones from the charging case. So, it should enter to prank mode automatically, but if it doesn't, just put it back to the charging case and then press and hold this connectional button until this LED light starts flashing white. Here we go, we have it. Now we should see it at the device list. Click on it. So let's try again. Click on it. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!